In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable live text on iPhone's camera. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and then scroll down until you find Camera Settings. And here you can find Show Detected Text feature. If this feature is enabled, it allows iPhone camera to detect a text where the camera is pointed on. So now you can open up camera and then point it on some text. Here, as you can see, camera recognized a text. You can see these yellow rectangles at the edges of this text. And now you can interact with this text. You can tap here at a text scan icon to take a picture, a photo of this text. And now here you can tap on copy to copy this text, or you can translate it to any language. So you can tap here on translate. And here, as you can see, this text has just been translated to English. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.